Videography has been a passion of mine for the past few years. I've spent hours upon hours filming and editing, creating content that people would enjoy. But after a while, I urged to create something bigger, something that would resonate to more people, something where I could share my thoughts and feelings, and not just my experiences. So here I am, creating my first video of many on YouTube. Let me introduce myself. I am Beltz. Some of you may know me, others may not. But I promise you, with a camera in my hand, I will share with you my thoughts, experiences, and overall feelings. You will view the world from my perspective, in my eyes, through my camera lens. Welcome to my journey.